That is a
Okay.
relay baton.
This one's gonna be piano.
Let's get that on a stand.
Okay. Got the tube mic cable for this guy.
1, 2, 3.
This week was a recording intensive that enabled us to break out our new recording equipment, get to know how to use it, welcome David here to teach us the fundamentals of recording, and for the students to get really in-depth experience both on the performance side of recording and on the engineering side of recording.
Bass and drums.
We should start there then.
Okay.
Okay.
Mic placement is a big deal, especially with small ensemble recording.
So, when the three of you play, can you hear each other well?
Trying to get what you imagine to be the performance, moving the mics around and then listening and then moving them some more can help you to sort of find the sweet spot where the performance arrives in the air and so that we can record it.
How would you adjust the panning versus?
For me personally, it's been a very eye-opening experience because I've been trying to record certain instruments and figuring out how to make them sound the same way on the recording as I hear it in person.
Maybe I would take a little more bass.
As much as I love playing, I've really enjoyed sitting back here behind the desk with the headphones on and getting to watch, and hear how things change.
So which one of those two was more exciting?
I'm certain that the work that we've done here will strengthen their ability to listen deeply and therefore just be better musicians.
I feel like I'm going to take a lot of what I learned for the rest of my life and work that into whatever career I can make doing music.